Happy Sunday. Look, the kitties are coming outside like a dog to explore. It's pretty cool they come outside like a dog. Here's the other ones. Let's walk over here. There's Mama. There, Mama kitty. Where's your babies? You calling them? Oops, that was funny. Oh my God. Are you sliding now? All right, where's Blackjack? Got another one. Hey, baby kitty. Mama's name is Diamond. We call that one Fatty and Sunflower. Oh, there's the other one. We call that one Blackjack and Nubs. Yep, going over there now. It's pretty cool. We trained them to stay in the backyard. They are not allowed to leave the yard. Hey kitty, where's the other one? Olivia? Olivia? I hear you. I'm doing a video of the kitty cats, look. Olivia? Oh, there go that one.